Okay, guys, sorry about that. I gotta clean out this phone. Apparently, I have a lot of stuff on here. I gotta get rid of some stuff. But anyway, momentum before must equal momentum after in a collision. Because if it doesn't change, delta P is 0 for the system, right? Then whatever the momentum before the collision is must be the momentum after. So, lots of examples of this. One of the favorite ones is a cart. Let's make it 10 kilograms, moving at 10 meters per second. Hits a 20 kilogram cart initially at rest. All right, initially at rest. They stick together, right? They roll off together now as one 30 kilogram cart. What speed do they roll off at? Well, it's got to be less than 10 meters per second. All of the momentum is in this cart here to start off with, right? So when it hits this cart and sticks to it, all of that momentum is now moving with the two carts together, which have a bigger mass than this one to start off with. So maybe you can estimate what it would be, but I'll go through the calculation. P before equals P after. So that's a good strategy, though, to think about, like, okay, the answer has to be less than 10 meters per second. That's a good multiple choice strategy. It has to be less because it's going to get heavier. The system's going to get heavier when they stick, so it's got to slow down. So it's all in the initial cart. So MV, we'll call this cart 1, cart 2, M1, V1. And then after the collision, it's M1 plus M2. I treat them as one mass now moving together, and we'll call it V final, I suppose. All right, so before the collision, it's 10 kilograms times 10 meters per second. After the collision, it's 30 kilograms times VF. So 10 times 10, 100 kilograms times meters per second, divided about 30 on each side. Boom, boom. VF has to be about 3.3 meters per second of these moving away together, right? It's 3 times heavier now. So the velocity has to go down by 3 times. This could be a cart sticking together. It could be a cart rolling, and then you drop something into it to make it heavier. Like it could rain into the cart. That's an old AP question, actually. It was like a train car going along, right? And it gets rained on, and what happens? It could be sand dumped in it. I don't know, something like that. Anyhow, that's about it for momentum. I'm not going to do any more. There's plenty of good examples in your review book. I already was too long in the previous video, and this one's about to run out. So 2-part series. I'll talk to you later.